What's up, guys? Charles Cerrito, back here at Function Facts Performance, and I got my phone in my hand because we're gonna do some chronological updates. Again, we're here for another weekly update. So we're gonna get right into it. Nyla got a new car. She got a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C63 507 edition. We already did some cool little videos on it. We're gonna take it out next week, do some more video on it, take it to the dyno, see how much power it's making, and do some more modifying goodness to it. Let's see what else we got. We released some new hats, guys. We got a black hat, we got a black one with the red bill, and these are new era hats, so they are pretty nice and premium. You get them in snapbacks, you get them in fitted. We do have a really cool camoed one. It's a darker camo. And we have our dad hat. Additionally, we've got some new stickers, guys. We've got our smaller version of our FFP logo, and then we've got a long one that I think we showed in the last video as well. Another quick update, we did have an awesome team building session. We did go out to Topgolf, took everyone to Topgolf. Team had a phenomenal time out there. That was nice to get away, have some fun, have some drinks, some good laughter. What else do we got, guys? We got our massive Anderson Composites order. Big shout out to Anderson Composites. If you guys don't know what Anderson Composites is, they are a modern muscle carbon fiber manufacturer located in California. And they make parts for that thing, and they make parts for that thing, and your Camaro, and your Charger, and, oh, not Charger, Challenger, and the Focus RS. I mean, we have so much carbon in this building. We're hiding it in the bathroom. We're hiding it in our closets. We got a stack of carbon right over there for the Raptor, and I am so excited to get started on this project that I will talk about in a second. But as some of you guys know, my Mustang is fully equipped with all Anderson Composites parts, and so will Frank's 2016 Ford Mustang. Going down the list, guys, we are finally planning our grand opening. And it's gonna be in late January, and it's gonna have an awesome surprise, guys. Some of you already know what it is, but for you, some that don't know, I don't wanna spoil it. It's gonna be right here in this bay with the cover over it. I'm super excited about that. But as soon as we get solid on the grand opening date, we're definitely gonna let you know. Our Raptor finally got our Venom Rex 601 wheels. These wheels are 20 inches by 9 inches wide, and they are a plus 12 millimeter offset. They are wrapped in some super aggressive Toyo MT open country tires. It's a 35, 13.5, 20-inch tire. Super aggressive. It doesn't look goofy, guys. I love this look. I had doubts. I really had doubts that I was not gonna like it. So I'm super stoked with the way this looks. Shout out to Venom Rex, and shout out to all the customers that purchased Venom Rex the other week. Thank you for that. And we'll be debuting their 604 after we get done with the videos for this. So again, Toyo tires, Venom Rex, thank you for that wheel and tire package there. My 240SX making some strong progress with Maddie. We've got a really cool custom front end. He did this removable quick change bash bar in the front, and he's as well doing a V-mount. And I got my full race T4 twin scroll EFR turbo manifold for an SR20. Beautiful TIG welds, beautiful robot welds. If you guys don't know, Full Race uses a robot to weld their weldels on their manifold. I got that on the car, super excited. And I got my EFR 8474 Black Series mounted, and it looks absolutely sick. And we went to the dyno with our Raptor and made 414 wheel and 427 wheel horsepower. And our stock numbers were 350. That's a 64 horsepower gain, guys, on 20-inch tires. That's fucking awesome. It's a 5,000-pound truck doing wheelies. Last but not least, I'm gonna be 30 by the time we edit this video. And guess what? Apex Motor Club, thank you, Brittany. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Matt, and thank you to the staff, because I get to drive a Radical SR3 on Saturday. If you don't know what a Radical is, stay tuned, because you definitely don't want to miss this. The car is an animal. You've got to brake super late, and you got to get on the throttle, and the car just responds. It's a very momentum-based car. Has a Hayabusa motor in it, has a digital dash, bunch of carbon fiber everywhere. It's as if it's an LMP5 car. It is a real race car, and what's nice about it, it's not gonna break the bank. These cars start at about $100,000, and Apex was named Radical Dealer of the Year. And if you guys don't know, they host Radical races almost every month lately, and we've been to every single one of them. And I'm more than blessed to be able to drive this thing. So again, I'm Charles Cerrito. Give us a follow on Instagram. Function, it's FF Performance AZ at Instagram. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about these comment videos, what we can do to make them better. And we'll see you after Christmas.